Hello everyone and welcome, or hello for the first time. Today we're going to go over a few things and you're unboxing my Doki Doki crate that just came in the mail. The first thing is my schedule for the last few days has been bad, and it wasn't originally for the reason that I stated in the one video. Immediately after I recorded all those videos, I went to do my laundry. And as I was pulling stuff out of the dryer, I essentially just knocked my back out. I couldn't stand up for like 24 hours. Even then, it's still pain. And I'm still in quite a bit of pain. And I had a final yesterday. Yeah, I don't think I did that as good as I could have, because I was like hurting and like twitching all over the place because of it. And it was just bad. What else? Dang it, I had this pulled up, but I didn't. It was going to be the next video. If you would notice, I got a new banner. Now, I can't remember how to pronounce the guy's name that made the banner for me, because I got it off Fiverr. I can't pronounce the name properly. You know how I am. If you don't, yeah, I have problems with words. He made it, and I absolutely love it. So if you haven't gone to my main page and are just going through the notifications, go look at that. The banner is absolutely amazing. Alright, let's get why you're here in the first place. Let's get this bad boy open. There's a castle on it this time. Sorry, I can't show you the castle though because that's got my address on it. Alright, put that off to the side. Go away the last. Make sure we're still recording. I don't want to accidentally press a button. Hold on, I'm going to go back a bit. Alright, well, these are cute. They're like little chocolate molds that you put stuff in. Or cookie molds? There might be, oh, they're cookie things where you, cookie cutters. They're shaped like little bears and a chicken. That's so cute. That there. Oh my gosh. You're so fluffy. I gotta open this. Sorry about the crinkle. He's so fluffy. I love him. You're going with the rest of them. You look so angry too. Alright, what is this? Donuts? Just donuts? I'm not gonna open it up because if it's food. I'm not hungry and it would just waste it. Kitchen plastic bag, that's what it says on it. 30? Wait, is it plastic bags? Dang it, I could have used this during the semester because my semester is about to end. I can use them next semester. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is so cool. I can put it on my shelf. It's one of those, it's like a folder holder. Oh, it's so, this is neat. I'm not going to take it out because it's going to take up the room. I don't have anywhere yet to sit it. But this is going to help a lot. I mean, a lot. Oh my gosh, this is heavy, whatever this is. This is the last thing in there. This I'll open. It said something about a strawberry party. Now, the reason I didn't open the other thing is because I need to check first that it's absolutely sure that it was bags. Because if it's food, I don't want to open it. This, I don't think it's food. Yeah, that's right. A cup. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I don't think I can read this. It's like really, really tiny cursive. But there's a bear with pancakes. The chicken with the parfait. The bear with the sundae. All rights reserved, that's what that says. And then bears with, like, I think that's flan. think that's plan. I'm not entirely sure. Can't read any of this because it's all like in cursive, and it might be in Japanese too. No, actually, tree stumps cake. That's all I can make out on this. Hot cakes. I'm looking really close. Something juice. Parfait. Okay. Let's set this off to the side for now. And let's do the last thing, which is this. Doki Doki by Japan Great, November 2008. This is a cool picture. Alright. Machu Fuo Paimaro. That's what those little things. The little checks are soft and stretchy like mochi, Japanese rice cake. Their name is a play on the sound pile or chirp. And Japanese, make sure to keep them safe from any autumn feasts and share with them the bounty of yummy desserts. Okay, this is Rikuma Sweet Strawberry Mug. Enjoy a warm cup of tea of hot chocolate with your dessert in this sweet Rikuma mug. Each mug is decorated delectable Rikuma themed strawberry parfaits and cakes. It will make you wish these treats were real. Okay, cookie mold set. Impress your friends and family with Rikuma cookies. You can make Rikuma, Kolukuma, Kiritori. Sorry, I'm not pronouncing these right. I don't know Japanese, so with these molds, decorate them with icing or simply just top them with Rikuma's favorite honey. Oh, it is My Melody treat bags. Package your holiday treats with these adorable My Melody bags. Pair them with your Rikuma cookies or use them as perfect packaging for your parties and goodie bags. Can I use this for my speech presentation? Because I have to have a handout for that, so I'll think about it. Little Twin Stars container. This container is adorned with little twin stars with a stack of hot cakes and their favorite jams. Keep your baking ingredients and spices in this collapsible container or use it as a cute tray for any claw-themed room. It's so cute. Alright, now on to the comic strip. Okay. Oh, hi, Shiro. What's got you so excited? Do you want to help us bake? She probably just wants to play. She always has energy to burn. And that's in this one right here. A little cookie person. Brown. It's really cute how formal Shiro speaks. Ooh. Like she is also, haha. Yeah. And then the cupcake has an evil face for some reason. And the reason I had to hold that so close to my face is because this little print. You probably can't see it. And then down to the bottom, boof, squeak, slaw, infidel, return to the void from whence you came. And that's what this is. Such a sweet thing saying that's it's very shocking. Oh no! Shori, why'd you do that? Did you not with the god duties right now? I'm grateful. And he's like licking his paw. So from when I get, the cupcake was evil. And he destroyed it. Did she make it? Is that why the cupcake's evil? Or is it because he made it and that's why the cupcake's evil? I'm very confused. But then again, he looks like he's candy, so. But that, guys, we are done for today. So I'll have this up in probably an hour or two. Please like if you liked, comment if you wish, and so for more. And I will have the name on my next video of the guy who did the banner. I'm sorry about that. But I'm serious, it's really cool. It took like, I think 10 days, maybe 5 days, I can't remember. After I put my request on there that he gave it to me, and it's so cool. So check that out. And I'm out, guys. Bye.